to know how heavy a mini shell is, here's Dan, and there's a mini shell. They're really heavy, but he's in the army, you see, that's why he makes that look easy. So there's a mini shell, which is for sale, ladies and gentlemen. As you see it, you've seen previous videos, you know what it's like. It is a mess. Anybody brave enough to take it on. The roof's in very, very good condition. Very good condition. So if someone needed a roof, or if someone wants to make it into a trailer, I'm sure they can. But yeah, that is one mini shell. Doesn't come with the lights. Lights are going on mine. But yeah, as you see it, is as it goes. Anybody interested, drop me a private message. And you can take it for very, very little money. Thank you. Right, so here is the new shell. Dan's doing his weights in the background again. The new shell with the jig on. So now we've just got to get it into there. The frame's waiting at the back there. Right, boys and girls, the Mini is now on the jig. It's upside down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you exactly what the underside of a Mini should look like. So bear with me a moment and I'll turn it round. So this is what the underside of a Mini should look like. How pretty is that? So as you can see, it's been Gravitexed, and then on top of the Gravitex it's had 2K gloss black put on top of it. So it's absolutely lovely, as you can see. And then it's got the genuine valance at the back, which just needs welding, but there's a section here, yeah, you can see it there, just needs cutting out and a new section putting in, but we'll be doing that. So there we go. So yeah, happy is not the word, guys. I'm ecstatic. It's beautiful. Chris, you've done a fantastic job. Excuse me, my garage door just closes. Chris, you've done a fantastic job. Well done, buddy. This is a proper solid shell. I'm really, really happy. So the next thing I think I want to do is I want to look at getting the rear subframe on it, but obviously I need to adapt the jig because the jig is currently using where the shocks would mount to. So we'll have a play anyway, we'll have a look and we'll see what we can do. So that is a Mini on a jig. I'll do a couple of outside shots and I'll do it back on its normal side again. So then, I know we've jumped about a bit again, but the new shell is on the jig now, as you've seen in the previous clip. So now we've got some more parts to help us move this project along, haven't we? Yeah? So again, with the help of my glamorous assistant, we're going to show you what we've got. So if you pass me one of them, and then you grab the other one. What are they, Hol?
They are subframe straps.
Subframe straps. So again, top quality stuff. So there to mount the front subframe on. Then we've got 4 tins of this.
It is Dinatrol.
Dinatrol. And what does it do?
It stops rust.
It stops rust, which you need as much help as you can get when you're doing a classic Mini, don't you? Because they rust, don't they? So we've got 4 tins of that, which are there. We've also got the hose.
And the gun that goes with
and the
dinner troll.
little gun that goes with the dinner troll. So that's obviously to spray into the cavities, things like that. So I was thinking sills, I was thinking bulkhead box, rear bins, and wherever else I can get it basically. If anybody's got any advice where they've sprayed it that might be not many people think of first time, then I'd be more than happy to hear that. We've also got some other bits, haven't we? Just behind us here, haven't we? So what we'll do is we'll turn the camera around so they can have a look at that and you can show them. Yeah?
This is a wing.
So that's the right hand side wing that was waiting to come in stock. So again, it's the dreaded Magnum panels, which I know you all absolutely adore me for. Next, we're going to do this. And then she's picked up something else. I didn't think she was that strong. What have you got there?
Front panel.
The front panel. So again, that's for the front end. Right, so we've got these three. Now some people will know what these go into. Some people may not. So what are they, Holly?
They're cold air
Feeds. So they're for cold air feeds and they go into what's that?
Bonnet.
And that goes into that bonnet there. So yeah,
Not shiny, but it will do.
that'll be painted. So yeah, so we've got quite a few bits to be getting on with there, haven't we? So the first thing is to get this dinosaur on, Dinitrol, whatever you want to call it. Good stuff, that's what we're going to call it. So we need to get that on in the sills and everything like that while it's on the jig. Trying to do as much prevention as we possibly can. So we've got that to do, and then we've got to look at mocking up the front end, mount the rear subframe. There's a lot to do, but hopefully you'll stay along and join us for the ride. So what do we say? Bye.
Bye.
So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.